Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets of financial success and investment strategies. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: billionaire investment strategies, how the rich grow their wealth. We will dive into the minds of some of the world's wealthiest individuals and uncover the key principles they use to accumulate and grow their fortune. If you want to learn how to invest like a billionaire, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Diversification and risk management. One of the fundamental principles billionaire investors emphasize is diversification. In fact, billionaire investors take diversification a step further by spreading their investments globally. They recognize that different economies and industries may perform differently at various times, so they seek opportunities worldwide. By investing across borders, they can capture growth in emerging markets while also benefiting from the stability of established ones. Additionally, billionaires often allocate a portion of their portfolios to alternative investments, such as private equity, hedge funds, and venture capital. These assets can offer unique returns not correlated with traditional markets, further enhancing diversification and providing potential for substantial gains. Furthermore, risk management is a paramount concern for billionaires. They employ sophisticated risk assessment models and surround themselves with experienced financial advisors. This allows them to mitigate potential downsides and protect their wealth during times of economic uncertainty. By adopting these strategies, billionaire investors create resilient portfolios capable of weathering various market conditions, ensuring their wealth continues to grow for generations to come. Number 2. Long-term vision. Billionaires understand that building substantial wealth takes time and discipline. They resist the allure of short-term gains and focus on the long game. By holding on to their investments for extended periods, they can benefit from compounding returns, where their earnings generate further earnings over time. Their long-term vision is often driven by their strong belief in the businesses they invest in. Instead of getting swayed by market noise, they carefully select companies with solid fundamentals and growth potential. This patient approach allows them to ride out temporary market fluctuations and capitalize on the underlying value of their investments. Moreover, billionaire investors aren't afraid to think in decades rather than quarters. They invest in trends and industries that they predict will shape the future, such as renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. By positioning themselves early in these transformative sectors, they position their wealth for exponential growth in the long run. Overall, a long-term vision helps billionaires stay focused on their investment objectives, avoid knee-jerk reactions to short-term market movements, and ultimately, grow their wealth consistently and significantly over time. Number 3. Contrarian thinking. Contrarian thinking is at the core of billionaire investment strategies. While most investors follow the crowd, billionaires are willing to go against the grain and challenge conventional wisdom. They see opportunities where others see risks and vice versa. When the market is experiencing exuberance and everyone is buying, billionaires remain cautious. They understand that markets can become overvalued, leading to potential bubbles and subsequent crashes. Instead, they look for signs of irrational exuberance and consider reducing their exposure to avoid substantial losses. Conversely, when fear dominates the market and prices plummet, billionaires see potential bargains. They capitalize on the panic-driven sell-offs, purchasing assets at discounted prices with the confidence that markets will eventually rebound. Contrarian thinking demands courage and conviction. Billionaires have the fortitude to stand firm in their investment decisions, even when faced with skepticism from others. They trust their research, knowledge, and instincts, making well-informed choices that can lead to outsized returns. By resisting herd mentality and thinking independently, billionaires unlock hidden opportunities and stay ahead of the curve, resulting in remarkable wealth accumulation and successful investment journeys. Number 4. Philanthropy and social impact investing. Philanthropy and social impact investing are two key pillars of billionaire investment strategies that go beyond pure financial gains. These billionaires recognize their responsibility to use their wealth and influence for the greater good. Through philanthropy, They actively donate substantial amounts to various charitable organizations, community development projects, and initiatives aimed at addressing pressing global issues like poverty, education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. Their contributions have a significant ripple effect, creating a positive social change and helping those less fortunate. Moreover, social impact investing is gaining traction among billionaires. This approach involves investing in companies and projects that prioritize social and environmental benefits alongside financial returns. By directing their capital towards ventures with a positive impact, billionaires align their wealth with their values and contribute to building a more sustainable and equitable world. It's worth noting that philanthropy and social impact investing aren't just about writing checks. Many billionaires actively engage in the causes they support, leveraging their expertise and networks to create lasting change. Notably, these initiatives aren't at odds with financial success. In fact, studies have shown that companies with strong environmental, social, and governance ESG practices can outperform their peers in the long term. Thus, by combining philanthropy and social impact investing with their financial acumen, billionaires not only make a positive difference in society, but also potentially enhance their overall returns. In summary, the integration of philanthropy and social impact investing reflects the values and conscience of billionaires who recognize the significance of leaving a lasting legacy that extends far beyond the realm of wealth accumulation. By championing causes close to their hearts, they inspire others to follow suit and contribute to a more compassionate and sustainable world. Number 5. Patience and emotional discipline. Patience is the cornerstone of a billionaire's investment strategy. While the average investor may panic and sell during market downturns, billionaires remain composed. They understand that markets are cyclical, and short-term fluctuations are part of the natural course of investing. Instead of reacting emotionally to market volatility, they stay focused on their long-term vision and resist the urge to make impulsive changes to their portfolio. Emotional discipline goes hand in hand with patience. Fear and greed are two powerful emotions that can cloud judgment, leading to poor investment decisions. Billionaires acknowledge the presence of these emotions, but have learned to manage them effectively. They make calculated and rational choices based on thorough analysis rather than reacting emotionally to market noise. Furthermore, billionaire investors recognize that timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible. Instead, they adopt a buy-and-hold strategy, allowing their investments to compound over time. This approach not only minimizes transaction costs, but also reduces the risk of missing out on potential gains due to mistimed entries or exits. In addition to patience and emotional discipline, billionaires also embrace failure as an essential part of the learning process. They understand that not every investment will be a success, and setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. Rather than being discouraged, they use failures as opportunities to learn and refine their strategies, making them more robust over time. Lastly, many billionaires surround themselves with a team of trusted advisors who provide diverse perspectives and expertise. This team helps them stay accountable to their investment plan and acts as a sounding board during times of uncertainty. In conclusion, patience and emotional discipline are the bedrock of billionaire investment success. By remaining steady in the face of market turbulence, managing emotions, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and seeking advice from knowledgeable experts, billionaires position themselves for long-term wealth growth and financial security. These qualities are not only valuable for the ultra-wealthy, but can also be adopted by any investor seeking to build a resilient and prosperous financial future. There you have it, the key strategies used by billionaires to grow their wealth. Diversification, long-term vision, contrarian thinking, philanthropy, continuous learning, and emotional discipline are the building blocks of their success. Remember, these strategies are not limited to billionaires. Anyone can incorporate them into their financial journey. So, if you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing!